In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update overdue bills in Xero cash flow projection. By the end, you'll know how to bring your overdue bills into the short-term cash view so your forecast reflects when you actually plan to pay them. Start by logging into Xero and opening the organization where you manage your bills. Make sure you have access to reports. If you don't see some options later, it may be a permissions or subscription issue. From the main navigation, click Reporting. This is where Xero groups financial insights and tools. We're heading to a report designed to show expected money in and out over the next few weeks. Open the short-term cash flow projection. This projection estimates your cash position based on upcoming bills and invoices. It's especially useful when you keep it aligned with real payment intentions. If the numbers don't match what you expect to do, it's usually because overdue items haven't been assigned realistic payment dates yet. On the projection screen, click Update Overdue. This brings up options to refresh the timing of items that are past due. We want to make sure our forecast mirrors when we plan to clear those balances. Select Update Overdue Bills. Bills are what you owe to suppliers and vendors. Focusing on bills here keeps the forecast accurate for upcoming cash outflows, which is key to avoiding surprises. Now add planned payment dates for your overdue bills. For each overdue bill listed, choose the date you actually intend to pay it. Be honest and practical. If cash is tight, spread payments across several dates you can meet, rather than picking the earliest possible day. Think about payroll cycles, known inflows, and supplier priorities. Setting dates thoughtfully will shift those outflows to the right days in your forecast, so you can see the true impact on your cash balance. When you're done entering dates, save the updated bill projection details. Saving applies your changes to the projection, so the system moves those expected payments to the dates you chose. A quick double check before saving helps you avoid typos that could skew your forecast. Finally, review the updated cash flow projection. Look at the daily or weekly cash position and confirm the dips and recoveries make sense with your new payment plan. If you spot a potential shortfall on a specific date, consider whether moving a non-urgent bill to a later date would even things out. You can always come back and adjust as plans change. That's it. By updating overdue bills in Xero's short-term cash flow projection, you improve the accuracy of your forecasting and strengthen your payment planning.